Hi there, welcome to Mrs B's Arts and Crafts. The weather has been so hot just recently, so I thought why not make something for you guys to play with outside, which is lots of fun to make and lots of fun to play with. We are going to make a bubble blower using a plastic bottle. So come and join me, Mrs B, and we'll get on with it. Okay, right, what you're going to need first is a bottle of anything you like as long as it's plastic. And just get somebody who's a grown-up to cut the end off, so you just have this part, so the bottom bit you do not need, okay? So cut that off, should leave you with this, all right? Then what you need to get is some netting. Now you can get these on fruit packaging, so like plums have them, oranges have them, and then what you need to do is just take a piece and put it over the top, or the bottom, sorry, which is actually under the top at the moment, of your bottle. And this is the bit that's going to make your bubbles come through here. Okay, it's really exciting, you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to use some parcel tape, some masking tape, just to tape on the netting. Okay, it's not going to look very pretty to start with, but we will decorate it afterwards, as we do on Mrs B's. Like to decorate things. Okay, so as long as it's covering the whole of the bottom of your bottle, okay, and then you're going to go round with your tape just to secure it in place. It does get a bit fiddly, but just you might need someone to help you, so someone else could hold it while you do your sticking. Make sure it stays on, like so. Okay, and once it is stuck on, it's not going anywhere, all right, then you can decorate it. What I've done is I've taken a piece of decorative paper that kind of goes with it, and I'm just going to tape that down. I did try this earlier and accidentally ripped my paper, so I've got some more tape to. So I always like to test what I make before I make it for you guys, so that I know it definitely works. So I have tested this already and had lots of fun, and you'll see it on the photos or the video that I post that's got me playing with it. Okay. Now, the great thing is you can get ordinary washing up liquid in a bowl with some water. Okay, and then you literally dip it in the bowl like this, and you use this as the blowhole. I wouldn't put your mouth over it, I would just hold it to your mouth and blow through it, just because you don't want to suck back and get anything in your mouth, okay? So I would just hold it away from your mouth, like so, and blow. Okay, what will happen is you'll get all these little bubbles coming through, and they will all join together as a long snake type shape. Okay, if you use a bigger bottle with netting on, the bigger the bottle, the wider it's going to be. So if you've got a big water bottle and it's like this sort of size, then the snake that comes out will be the same size as the base of your bottle, okay, with the netting on. So however big you want it, or however wide you want your snake, that's the size to go for. Have fun playing with your water bubble snake bottles. Take care, have fun in the sun, but stay safe with your sun cream on and your hats. See you soon, take care, bye bye.